We're here, we've made it. Temple Tiger. That Temple Tiger? What am I on about? Tiger Temple. Yeah, mix it up a little bit, you know. About to go up the top of that hill. You got to sign in first. You got to like give a little donation or whatever to go up there. Another temple they're building behind here, which is pretty cool. But yeah, it's such a nice day today as well. Here we go. So we're about to climb up the side of this mountain. And of course, monkeys. Little bastards. There you go, you thirsty, brother? He is thirsty. Another one here. He's found a little bit of something as well. Here we go, we're about to probably get attacked by monkeys along this journey as well. That's some pretty cool little statues. So, apparently, it's an hour up, hour down. This is going to be a long walk. These steps are quite steep. Upside this mountain. Wow, that was a lot of steps. I think we made it. Oh, wait. There's a little cave down here. It's pretty cool. I bet it's freezing, isn't it? Oh, I bet it's like a little air conditioning unit. We're at 262. I can safely say I am out of breath. Whoa. It's starting to get high now. So, we're basically at the halfway mark now. Look at this. How random. So we're getting there. Monkeys everywhere. These stairs are wild. And I am actually like out of breath. This is literally like going up a set of step ladders. It's literally vertical. It's crazy. We're getting there though. We're at 1,000. Well, hey. Oh. So we're about 150 or so steps from the top. The view is starting to look pretty darn cool. You can just see where it's going to be up there. In fact, that's definitely more than 150. That's probably a good 300. Well, we're nearly there, eh? There we are. The last 60 steps. Oh, let's go. We made it to the first bit. We'll go up into the actual temple in a minute. Here's the view. Sort of makes it all worth it, eh? Only sort of though. Still out of breath, I've been sat here for 5 minutes. The views up here are genuinely amazing. I wish I'd done this at sunset. Oh, sorry, sunrise. I bet there's a beautiful sunrise up here. There's Krabi over in the distance there. There's Krabi, oh Nang, you go up. Congratulations, you have conquered the Tiger Cave Temple Mountain. You're ascending 309 metres vertically along a 600 metre path comprised of 1,260 steps. So that's quite a long way up. As you can see from the video, it's not exactly just up a couple of steps, is it? Like, looking up the side of this bloody mountain. In the bloody hot as well. It's like 40 degrees today. Oh. Right, I am certifiably sweating and gonna now take the plunge on the walk back down, which is gonna be fun. So the 1260 steps back down the way we just came. Full send. Man, it's almost scarier going down than it is going up. So I'm scared I'm gonna like miss my step and fall down the 1,260 steps to my death. If you just fail, you're just gonna keep rolling like. Shit. There's stuff called M150. It's like cocaine in a bottle. You can get it from the shops. I guess someone got halfway. We're about halfway at this point. Someone's obviously downed a bottle of M150 and probably sprinted the rest of the way up. Got myself a little mate for the walk, haven't I? started walking with me pretty much. Oh no, he's walking to the bin. Get yourself in there, brother. Get some grub. Oh shit. Oh, a load of them down there. Hope they don't gang up on me. My guy was trying to break into the bin. His boys are down there robbing the foreigners. God, I'm scared now. Have a little scratch, brother. Go on, mate. There you go. Go on, son. He's flat out, my old boy. Up with the other brothers. Mate down there having a beer. He's licking the floor. He's not having a good time. Oh, he fell. So we're back at the bottom. My legs are literally trembling. So there's the last steps. About 30 left. And I can barely keep my legs from falling underneath me. Not gonna lie, that is a hard day. We will be doing this on the Lost in Thailand tour. So be prepared for a nice long walk. It took us about an hour and a half to get up, do our thing and get back down. So it's not a massively long time, but it's long enough to be quite knackered when you get to the bottom, you know? Anyway, have fun guys. See you in the next one.